Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. So today we are gonna do something very different. I'm gonna just tell you a beginner starter pack for makeup under rupees 500. Everything I have shown in this will be showing in this whole video would be under rupees 500, and you can easily get it from Amazon or Nykaa or Flipkart, wherever you like. Few of the products are from actual like shop from Instagram store that will also be handled down below. You can easily buy it from there. You can just have to order that from their stores. So if you are interested in the look that I have created, this is a 10-minute look. The video will be going before this video, I guess. So without further blabbering, let's get on to the video. So guys, starting with primer. If you are so much in makeup that you want a primer for every day or for a beginner primer, so there are two options that I give you. This is aloe vera gel. This is Patanjali aloe vera gel. This is merely for 85 rupees or 90 rupees. This is for 90 rupees, and you can easily use it because it creates a tack on your face, like sticky base, so that the makeup would be flawless for all over the day. So next we can use you can actually use oil if you are dry skin. I am a dry skin, like sometimes I'm dry, sometimes I'm combo, I don't know, but yeah, I am a dry skin girl, so I use this Good Vibes Vitamin C and Vitamin B3 Skin Glow Serum. I use it below every day makeup. It gives you a very glowy skin. Even if you are wearing foundation, a lightweight foundation, this is going to give you a very glowy skin. So that is that. Now starting with foundation. For every day, I'm not gonna ask you or prefer you to go with a heavy coverage foundation because it can clog your pores and that can result in a lot of things like pimples a lot. So I'm gonna just stick with a very true and tried. This is Olivia foundation. Starting, I don't like it. I'm sure about that, and I really like it. It took time. It took me a lot of time to understand that, but yeah, I didn't like it. Use it below oil because it clings to dry patches, and if you're using it below oil, it has a medium to light coverage, and it's gonna even out your skin, and that looks beautiful. I'm wearing it today, and it looks beautiful. My shade is 02 Natural Glow. Next, it depends on you if you want to use concealer or not. Starting with concealer, I would suggest you to get under 200 rupees. It is Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. It has high medium. I'm not gonna say that full coverage, but it has a high medium coverage. 2 or 3 dots on your eye is gonna cover all your dark circles. So I got it for like 190 rupees. So it is actually under 200. And second, if you wanna buy it from Purple is also a website, like cosmetic website. This is NY Bay concealer. This was my first concealer ever. I have not known the concept of concealer ever. I bought it for the first time, and you have seen that I have used and abused it. So this is NY Bay concealer. I don't know what will be the shade. I will be linked down below. And this is like light to medium was that, and this is also a very good concealer. This is slightly toned into like those yellow tints concealer, so this would be very good for my dark skin girls. Now if you have applied your makeup, even if you're dry skin or oily skin, you need to set it. So again, a very affordable. This is Maybelline Fit Peak powder. I think this is one of the best powder, rupees 200. I have used the Faces powder also. That is also a very good like color, but the point is that these does not have color for darker skin. I'm just waiting for the day when Maybelline would be using dark skin colors in their 200 range. So yeah, this is also a very good powder. And now I'm not a very big fan of like eyeliners and all that, but I know maximum of the girls who daily use in colleges or offices, they do use eyeliner. So for this, tried and true, Maybelline Drama Magic. This is, I got it for like 390 rupees from Flipkart or Amazon, whatever you prefer. So this is a very good one. This stays on your eyes. My eyelid are actually very oily. Everything creases. If I don't use a matte primer, everything is just gonna crease, and this does not. So yeah, this is like holy grail. So after that, you have applied your eyeliner, if you want to, I don't use eyeliner frequently. My one of the very best recommendation is this colorful kajal. If you are not like, if you want a very waterproof kajal, that is a Maybelline sensational kajal is there. This is for that was for 550 rupees. That is waterproof, and this is not waterproof. Personally, waterproof mascara is paying in blank to get out. So that was flashback of me just rubbing my eyes out to take out the mascara. So this was that. After, if you are a blush girl, I am a big blush girl. I just love blushes. I can't live without blushes. Every day in college, I just use blushes religiously every day. I don't use anything, but I have to use blush because that I love. So this is the blush, that is Glam Vista blush. I got it from Shopshop. This is one of the products that I got it from Shopshop. Not 2 or 3 products are that is from Shopshop. So don't be concerned that yeah, she's doing all that Shopshop thing again. No, it's not. Most of the things are actually from Amazon or Flipkart. So this is that. After that, if you are more like highlighter kind of girl, my eyes are hooded, so generally I use the highlighter on my face a little bit, not a lot, and in my inner corner. Inner corner is, I love inner corner highlight. So for that I am using Urban Choice by InColor. It is actually an InColor brand, InColor sister brand or whatever. So this is shade number 2 Marshmallow. This is so pigmented. You just have to dab a little bit and you're good to go. I got it for like 199 rupees. This is for 400 rupees. So check out Curves and Lashes. If you can see offer on that, just grab it. Just grab it. After that, eyebrows are like every girl's. I just love eyebrow because that gives your face a definition of shape. That's my pet peeve. So this is eyebrow pencil. I have that Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. This is I got it, I think, from like mall near me. So this is for 50 or 55 rupees, I guess. So this is very good. This is not so pigmented. This is not like those kajal type pencils that you get for cheap, 50 rupees, 40 rupees, and that has so much pigmentation that it's hard to blend. This is a very, very, very good like eyebrow pencil, and the brush, it is very smooth. I think you should just invest in a good spoolie, and that's gonna do better because this scratches your face. You can see, I just don't like this brush, but the eyebrow pencil is good, very good. After that, if you more of a lipstick girl, lip balm girl, whatever you choose, so I have 2 options. One is NY Bay. This is a plumping lip balm. It tingles a little bit, but it's a good sensation that you think something will happen. It doesn't happen, but yeah, it is a very good lip balm. It keeps the hydration locked. And another lipstick, if you are a very good lipstick junkie, I have like 50, 55, 60 lipstick. I don't know how much lipsticks I have. So this is one of them. This is Glam Vista. Again, this is a Shopshop product in shade number 7. I don't know what it's shade number 7 it is. So it is a beautiful red. It's like orangish shade, but it has a tinge of blue in that. So I really like it. Blue with red is a very complementary color. It's not that undertone is blue. So I really like it. And this is with that. After that, if you want to take it one step further and you want to do something on eyes, sorry, I'm again blabbering. So if you want to do something on your eyes and you just want to do, okay, use your finger and you are good done. So I would suggest you to invest in, yes, I am using the word invest in this Swiss Beauty liquid concealers, liquid eyeshadows. I don't know what happened to me today. So these are liquid eyeshadows. This is for like 150 or 173 rupees for one. But if you are gonna get the whole set, I have the whole set with me here too. This is the whole set. This has 6 colors, and I got it for 6 or 7 rupees. I'm not sure. I think it is above 500, but if you are getting one, it is for 150, so you can't complain with that. So yeah, if you wanna get, there are different colors in that. I think you should invest in this. I know 600 rupees is a lot for liquid eyeshadows. I don't know why concealer is in my mind, but liquid eyeshadows. So I think you should invest in it. And if you don't wanna be like, okay, I don't want 6 color, I just want one color, you can easily buy it from Amazon and Flipkart for 170, 180 rupees. That's a max. That's a max. You have to pay for that. So next, And the last thing I think is bronzer. If you want to dabble on that bronzer shit and like contouring your face with bronzer, I am more or less of that. I don't use it daily, but if you want to use, that's your personal preference. I don't use, but it's your personal preference. If you want to use it, you can. Personally, you can. So this is LA Girl Pro. It is actually a face powder, and this is in the shade Toffee. This is so pigmented. I can't believe how pigmented it is. This is a very nice product. I got it for like 420 rupees or some, so it is under 500 rupees. This is one of the like higher range products I have. So this is really good. Like this is really good. You can see how perfectly blended it is. There is face powders or there is bronzers of Rimmel, but it has a little bit of shine. Another product that is good for contouring. It's their duo, but bronzer is not so good, but the contour shade is really good. This is Nika K contour in shade number MB009, I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure about the shade number. Yeah, it's just MB009. So this is the shade. This is this is the contour and this is the bronzer. I think both of them looks like a contour tool. It is a contour tool. So you can use both of them. For a very like sharp contour, you can use this color, and for that light shading contour, you can use this color. So I got it for like 250 or 300 rupees. Is actually, if you get it for even full price, it's for 450 rupees. So this is also under like that 500 range I told you. And last, if you really wanted to do those eyelash curlers that everyone is afraid of, but you use daily. I personally am guilty of using daily. In my college going, I don't have a lot of lashes, but whatever I have, I just want to use, curl it to the heavens. I just like that curled lash look. So this is, I got it from Miniso. You can get it from anywhere from eyelash color. That's a 50 or 100 rupees of cheap eyelash color, and that works for. That was for, I got it from 190 rupees. This was some like rose gold edition. I love the color, so I got it. So guys, this was all for today. I have just given you a lot of products that you can buy. It depends on you what you choose or what you pick or what you don't like. So it depends on you. And brushes would be something I'm gonna talk about in the next video. I'm thinking of doing a video where I talk about different brushes and their use. Those brushes would be a company brushes, because I know what the pressure of getting that. Okay, I'm gonna get a Morphe brush, I'm gonna get a Sigma brush, that is like expensive, 2000 rupees for a brush. Personally, me or a college going student, I don't think they can afford it. Personally, I don't think, and I don't think that's worth it. Brushes, personally, I don't think. I don't know if you love brushes, if you want to spend, you have the money to spend, you can. But I would be talking about those Amazon brushes and brushes I got, and where and how to use it. All the brushes will be in front of you, and I'm going to talk through every brush, like how to use it, where to use it, how multifunctional is a single brush. So, and I have done a large order on Topshop. There are a lot of products that I was interested in. So my birthday is also coming up, so I was like, okay, let's treat myself and get few products for me also. For I love those products. So I hope if you want to see that what I got, stay tuned, because I think my order will be dispatched soon, and I will get it. I'm waiting for it for like 10 days. 10 days. Like so difficult to wait for your products that you order. I am just so impatient regarding that. So guys, this was all for today. I hope you like it, I hope you enjoyed it, and I would be seeing you in the next video. And guys, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Along with, if you want to see the personal side of me, you can follow me on my different Instagram that would be handled at the end of the video. So take care, be safe, and I will be seeing you in the next video.